Today I'm gonna do a video tutorial to help you to use the picsart. Yep, and make sure you want to download it. Click on link on the description. It's free, okay? And let's go. First, it's how to draw. This app can help you to draw or edit any photo or collage or camera. First, I want to show you edit a photo. Just wait. And example, I'm gonna make this, take this, my thumbnail, yep, click on it. Just wait. And it can also add a sticker, a tool, or effects, or cards, or text, and any type on this. You can draw in here. Yep, just click a draw and click a draw again. If you want to change color, yep, it's now you're in a draw. You click a color and you can draw, and it can if you want to move or something, or like zoom it and to doodle on this. Yes, you can. You just swipe it. Yep, swipe it, and then it will draw. And yep, and if you're done, it can also help you affect the image. You just put in image, put a photo. Example, this wolf. I'm gonna edit, and you just minimum it and zoom the wolf's picture. It's just example, right, guys? And you just take a blend and take the screen. Yes, you actually see the wolf is here right now. But if you want to make a profile YouTube, just click another video. Yep, a tutorial make a profile YouTube on my channel. Yep, and thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I have the tutorial to show you just a minute. And now I'm gonna say goodbye, guys. If you want to download it, just click link on the description. And make sure subscribe me or like my video or share something if you like it. You make sure you share it or comment below if you want me to help you, because I can help you. I have a solution to help you. Bye guys, see you next time on my next video or next time. Bye.